I recently posted a video about new 2022 Washington quarter airs. These are brand new airs that recently sold for a lot more money than anticipated. Without wasting any more time, let's just hop right into this video. So this is a 2022 Washington quarter with a relatively major air going on. So the seller of this coin said this is a major coin air. This to me looks like a die crack air. The few examples I found online all have this air in the same location. This coin sold for $420. Now before you get too excited, this listing only had 2 bids on it, which is a bit concerning, and also the seller only has 10 feedback. Now that doesn't mean to say that this coin can't sell for that much money, but me personally, I don't think this coin is worth anywhere near that amount. So please, if you find this coin, I would try to sell it immediately, especially if they're selling for this much money. Wait, 90% of you that watch the videos are still not subscribed. So you better subscribe right now so we can keep the lights on. Wait, no, I was kidding. Here's the next coin. This one sold for $515. Now this one has 10 bids and the seller has over 1,200 feedback, so it looks reputable. Again, not too big of a deal when it comes to airs for me. It's a brand new coin. Who knows how many of these are actually out there? Please check your pocket change because you could have this coin, and if you have it, honestly, I would sell it as quickly as possible. Don't hold on to it because the value could go down. Again, I don't know how true these values actually are. There is a lot of questionable stuff that does happen on eBay, so you have to be careful. Definitely, if you find these coins on eBay for a cheaper amount, don't buy them because I feel like the value is definitely going to go down. Here we have a 2022 Washington quarter. This is a Wilma Mankiller quarter. Don't know if I'm saying her name right there, so apologies for that. But this one had a best offer accepted. It was listed at $900 and they accepted the coin for $675. So if you have any of these airs, make sure that you sell them because while this is definitely not financial advice whatsoever, I personally think that these coins will not go up in value over time. Just from what I've seen, I would get rid of these very quickly if you do have them. If you think you have one of these coins, make sure you leave a comment below letting me know.